trade here on the Australian dollar US dollar 1 minute time frame. I'm going to adjust my stop loss and my take profit target and explain why I took the trade. So here we've got all the rules for opening a rapid results method sell trade were met here. I have all the signals from my indicators which aren't shown right now. Down here we see the DPI indicator. This is being used to confirm our entry, and being a red histogram, it's telling me that we're only going short. So I've added my stop loss and take profit as per the rules of the rapid results method. My stop loss is here. My take profit is down here, 5 pips away from my entry also, because this is a 1 minute chart and we're only looking for 5 pips of profit. So now I'll put the video on pause and I will be back as soon as there's something to report. Alright guys, it's time for me to move my stop loss a little bit closer to reduce the risk on this trade. Now you see I've moved my stop loss, it's a little bit closer now, so I'm reducing the risk on the trade, and I'm only about 2 pips away. Now again, this is as per the rules of the rapid results method system. Right now, all we need is just a couple more pips to hit my take profit as price moves under the take profit line here. You can see here that my take profit target was just hit. My entry was here, my stop loss was here. I was able to move it here to reduce the risk, and my take profit of 5 pips was hit. Take profit was hit after about 10 minutes, really easily without any stress. It was just a straight line pretty much. On this account, I was able to collect about $5,500 as the smaller time frames allow for a bigger lot size. This is a nice trade. And I've just opened a sell trade on the Australian dollar US dollar 1 minute time frame. As usual, all the rules of the rapid results method system were met. We opened the short trade, and we're good. So I've got confirmation from the DPI indicator here. There is a lot of other stuff going on in the charts that you can't see, but you can see the DPI is telling us only to look for short trades. So now I'm going to place my stop loss and take profit. All right, I've got them placed, my stop loss above here, my take profit down here, my entry. So what the case is, we're looking at the 1 minute time frame. So I'm only going for about 5 pips on this one. Well, there was a little bit of chop in the market, but we did get hit. Our take profit got hit fairly easily. There was a lot of kind of sideways stutter in the market, but we got $5,100 on the trade. Entry was here. Our stop loss was up here. Price did pull back a little bit, but not very close to our stop loss. We were safe. Take profit here. It got hit, and it was a good trade. I mean, all the other indicators did tell us that we needed to keep looking short. We got our profits. It was a good trade. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.